You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words correctly once and for all in English. If you want to learn more English lessons, make sure to stay tuned. Got many more. I'll link to a few for you. Very interesting videos to learn more English pronunciations. So the top word here is pronounced as R. So you're going to have two slightly different pronunciations. British English, R. R. American English, R. An example of sentence: you are very good in English. You are. The bottom word is usually pronounced as our, our, or the Americans say it as our. As in, our pronunciation today is very good. Our pronunciation course is very good. Our. Now, the bottom word here is sometimes pronounced R, as in, our house is beautiful. Our house. So sometimes those two words have the exact same pronunciation, R. But generally the top word here is R and the bottom word is our. Did you get this? Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let us know, let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.